Women's organizations are launching a nationwide push against violence towards women, linking safety concerns to corruption and entrenched political dynasties. We have Just Ignacio on the line for the details. Hi, Just. What can you tell us?
My women's rights group launched the 18-day campaign to end violence against women with a call to end corruption and political dynasties that heighten women's insecurity. The action brought together several women's organizations who used white and purple ribbons to symbolize solidarity with women whose safety and livelihoods are harmed by corruption. Akbayan Women's Juana Caumeran stressed that corruption directly endangers women by diverting vital resources meant for their protection and well-being. She further highlighted that political dynasties fuel corruption and gender-based harm by monopolizing power, stealing public funds, and suppressing accountability. Caumeran emphasized that ending violence against women requires ending the violence caused by stolen budgets and greedy political dynasties. The participating groups urged the government to strengthen accountability and ensure resources truly reach women, asserting that gender justice cannot be separated from the fight against corruption. Mai?
Just, what are the specific challenges na kinakaharap ng mga kababaihan ngayon?
May kabuhayan, kalusugan, karahasan. These three things are the challenges na nakikita ni Caumeran. Kanina nga ay nakausap natin siya, and sa kabuhayan, kanyang nabanggit yung pagbibigay ng sapat na trabaho para sa mga kababaihan, lalo na para doon sa mga nasa informal sector. Para naman doon sa kalusugan, mataas pa rin daw kasi yung maternal mortality rate kung nabibigyan ba ng sapat na healthcare services sa usapin ng reproductive health yung mga kababaihan. At doon naman sa karahasan, yung pag-implement pa rin ng Safe Spaces Act. Hindi raw kasi malinaw, kung paano ba yung reporting mechanism ng mga kaso ng online gender-based violence. Saan daw ba pupunta yung mga kababaihan para i-report ito? Yun yung mga nabanggit. Those are the three challenges na kinakaharap ng mga kababaihan ngayon ayon kay Caumeran. Mai?
Alright, maraming salamat. Just Ignacio reporting.